Morning. So we're at our next property that we're buying, Isabella and me, and we are just going to do a little quick tour. And yeah, this is going to be the kitchen. So what we're thinking of here is, so we'll try and get dining table here, and then the kitchen around here. Maybe brick slips on this back. Just go upstairs. So yeah, and then this will be, so this is open at the moment, but this is going to be the bathroom here, and then there'll be a wall up there, and then that will be bedroom 2. So this is bedroom 4. So this will be the ensuite in this one. So this is a huge bedroom. So this will be the bathroom in here, and then yeah, bedroom 6. So we've just been playing with this and think the bed's probably better on that wall there, and then desk under the window.